As of my last knowledge update in January 2022, making money on Instagram involves leveraging various strategies, and it's likely that these methods have evolved since then. Here are some general approaches that were effective in 2022. However, please note that the landscape may have changed, and it's essential to stay updated with the latest trends and guidelines. Become an influencer. Build a niche-specific and engaged following. Create high-quality content that resonates with your audience. Collaborate with brands for sponsored posts and promotions. Affiliate marketing. Partner with brands and promote their products using affiliate links. Earn a commission for every sale or lead generated through your unique affiliate link. Sell your products, set up an online store, and promote your products through Instagram. Use Instagram shopping features for seamless shopping experiences. Offer services. Showcase your skills or services, such as photography, consulting, or design. Use Instagram to attract clients and customers. Monetize your Instagram stories. Use the swipe up feature, if you have more than 10K followers, to drive traffic to external links. Share sponsored content or promote your products. Collaborate with brands. Partner with brands for sponsored content, shout-outs, or product placements. Ensure collaborations align with your audience's interests. Create and sell digital products. Develop and sell ebooks, online courses, presets, or other digital products. Use Instagram to promote and sell these products. Host giveaways. Partner with other influencers or brands to host giveaways. Require participants to follow your account, like the post, and tag friends for entry. Instagram ads. Utilize Instagram's advertising platform to promote your products or services. Target specific demographics to reach your desired audience. Offer sponsored content on IGTV. Create and share longer-form videos on IGTV. Collaborate with brands for sponsored content within your IGTV videos. Utilize Instagram Reels. Create engaging and entertaining short-form videos. Monetize through brand partnerships or by promoting your product services. Remember to comply with Instagram's guidelines and policies. The platform may introduce new features or change its algorithms, so staying informed about the latest updates is crucial for maintaining a successful strategy. Additionally, building an authentic and engaged audience is key to long-term success on Instagram.